Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we will be seeing how to create a middleware using Node.js. So in the previous video we built a basic Node.js server using Express.js. So this is a continuation of that. So if you haven't seen that video, you can have a look at that. So let us get started. So first we'll import this code file into VS Code and we'll open up a terminal, and then we'll start the server, which is a Node.js server, and we saw how to start that. We'll say npm run and then dev, and this server has started on port 3050. Let us see if that is working. So yes, that is working. Now as the motivation of this video is to create middleware, we'll start with that. So for that we'll define a simple file name as middleware.js. So if you don't know what middleware is, the task of middleware is to perform some particular task before a response is sent. So for example, here we are sending some response, so it is getting responded here. So before this response you might want to do multiple tasks such as logging or printing out date or something like that. So which is what exactly we'll be doing in this session. We'll be logging out each and every request and its response time here. So we'll see how to do that. So we'll be requiring few imports. It will be moment, require moment. So this moment will help in logging out the time. So let us see how we are doing. So a function will define as logger. It will take request and then response, and then there is another parameter as next, which is important here for defining a middleware. Excuse me. So next, this is the syntax, by the way. Next, it will guide to the next whatever request it is. So from after executing logger, it will guide to the next entry point or the endpoint. So next we will see console.log. So let us type in this is middleware. So this is just for logging purpose, for checking whether this particular middleware is working. So let us see logging, then console.log. Here is the main thing which we are going to log. We'll be logging the time and the URL which we are hitting. So okay, so it will be as request dot, sorry, this syntax is wrong, request dot protocol, which will like HTTPS or HTTP, and then colon and then slash and then again the request dot get the host name will be, and then we can do is we can just put some separator here, any separator. Let us say we will not put it for now, and then the full path, which will be like request dot original URL. So this is Express.js syntax, request dot original URL. This is an object request, and inside which we are having original dot URL as an attribute. So here we forgot to close it. We'll close that, and yeah, so this is closed, and then we'll simply put here colon, and the main thing here is moment, which will log the time. So we'll put that as moment, and it is a function. So yeah, and then format which we want, it can be any format. So let us keep it as default for now, and then yeah, so this is the function which we want to call. So we'll export this function inside middleware itself, middleware, and pass it as object attribute, and then logger, and then module dot exports equal to middleware. So yes, so this is an function which we defined and we exported. So now we need to include it here, so we'll include that. So here we'll define as const and then middleware, and then we'll be requiring it from the same directory. So it will be, we can directly put it as middleware. We'll do this, and then let us see, middleware, we need to use it before we make any request. So here we are making a request, so before that, so we'll put the syntax here as, I'll write it first in comments, middleware or init middleware, initializing middleware. So app.use, and then the function, the variable which we are here, which is a constant, middleware, and then the function name, the logger. So let us check out whether this works. So save this, got here, so cannot find module moment, so I think we need to install that. So we'll quickly install that. We'll stop this server, we'll npm I and then moment. So yes, this module is now installed. Then again we'll do npm run dev. So it is successfully loaded, so there are no issues. So let me pull up the browser side by side to check the terminal. So let us refresh, and as you can see, this is middleware logging and the path is given here and at this time. So this request is made at this time, so the middleware is successfully configured. So before any response is sent, this middleware is called. So there are multiple applications of this. You can log the request in the database, and if you want to check for some authentication, such things can be done. So these are some applications of middleware. So hope you found this video useful about middleware in Node.js. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.